Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my Asian style cheesesteaks. Yep, we're going a bit of fusion today, and these ones are quick and easy and quite inexpensive to do. Alright, here I've got a bowl, and I'm going to add in around about 100ml worth of some Kewpie mayonnaise. You can use whatever mayonnaise you like, but I'm using some Kewpie. About 2 tablespoons worth of rice wine vinegar, a Japanese style one, and we're just going to give that a quick stir and thin out that Kewpie mayonnaise to make it a really nice, very light dressing. Alright, really nice and simple. If you don't have rice wine vinegar, you could use like a cider vinegar. Here I've got a bag of about 250 grams worth of a slaw salad. You can buy whatever salad or whatever slaw that you like, just make sure it is not dressed. We're just going to give all of that a bit of a coating, just like I am doing right there. This one's got some carrot, it's got some zucchini, it's got some carrot in there, some broccoli. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to add in a little pinch of salt. Alright, that's going to help soften up that slaw just a little bit. We're going to give that a good stir and we can set that aside over in the corner until we are ready to serve. Right, so we're going to want around about 400 to 500 grams worth of yakiniku pork. Now if you want to learn how to do this, go back and look at my Asian pork cuts. I will try and leave a link in the description below, but as you can see, very thinly cut pork. Now if you don't want to do that, you can actually get these at Asian supermarkets, and I've even found them in local supermarkets in the freezer section as well. Alright, so you can buy these from your local supermarket. Right, I'm going to add in around about 90 to 120 mils worth of bulgogi sauce, or bulgogi marinade. You can buy it from the local supermarket. I'm going to show you how to make this deal really quick and really easy. If you want, on the channel I do have bulgogi recipes in there. It's a very simple Korean style dish. Just give all of that a quick stir and I'm going to leave that sit for around about half an hour to 45 minutes or so. Okay, so make sure all the pieces of pork have got a bit of marinade on there. As I said, this is a very quick dish to do. Right, on your barbecue, or in this case I'm using my teppanyaki grill, you can start cooking our pork off in little batches. They only take about a minute or so to cook in each batch. They're not going to take very long at all. Right? But as I said, you can do this on the barbecue hot plate. It will work out absolutely beautifully. Just keep stirring those around, make sure that it all gets cooked off, and some of the pork might stick together, so just make sure you try and separate them as much as possible. And sometimes as the fat starts to render down, they'll actually start to pull apart. We don't want to use a knife on these, we just want to keep it really nice and simple. Alright, here I've got some cheese. I'm going to add anywhere between half a cup to 1 cup of shredded cheese. Use the cheese that you like. Alright, I'm just using a blend that I buy from Costco. I like it. It's really nice and creamy, and it actually melts in beautifully with this meat. What we're going to do is give that all a bit of a stir around, melt that cheese down, get that cheese in between each little bit of pork. Not going to take very long at all. Mrs. KP's got a couple of nice little rolls that she's just cut with a little serrated knife, the bread knife there, and all we have to do now is get ready to serve these up. As I said, very quick dish to do. Marination time 20 minutes or so, cooking time around about 8 minutes, and we're going to lay down some of that beautiful cheesy pork straight on top. As you can see, that beautiful soy type flavor already glistening on that pork. I'm going to add in my slaw on top. It's going to give us a nice little contrast, a little bit of crunch, a little bit of freshness. Not a traditional type cheesesteak, but this is not a traditional type of dish at all, being an Asian style cheesecake. Obviously, try and make this one at home. It is quite inexpensive. It's really quick to do. A beautiful, nice dish to do in summer and spring. Fold those rolls over if I possibly can. I've probably overstuffed them, but that's always my way. My eyes are bigger than my stomach. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. But if you want to learn how to make a really nice, quick fusion style dish just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my Asian style cheesecakes, and I will catch you later. Bye.